Hey, what's up guys? Back with a video. I'm going to show you how to change the drivetrain fluid on a 2009 Acura MDX. We're going to be changing the transmission fluid. So this is going to be 2009 Acura MDX with the super handling all-wheel drive. Point for the transmission, and it's just right past the brake master cylinder fluid reservoir. And if you look down there, you can see the top of that big bolt there. That's your fill point. So that's it down there, ATF, automatic transmission fluid. So we're going to go ahead and loosen that and then get a funnel in there and we'll drain it and refill it. Alright, so you're going to need a 17mm socket with some extensions, and go ahead and get that on the down there. It's pretty easy to access, and we'll just twist that back. Already loosened it up. Alright, so there's our fill plug. And then there is also a crush washer on the top of that. So make sure you pull that out so you can set down a new one. So there's the old one. That's ready to go. Next we'll get underneath and we'll do a drain. For necessary tools, all you're going to need is a 3/8 inch torque wrench and little socket wrench for tightening. Use the torque wrench to get in there to have enough leverage to get the drain plug off, and just use a 3/8 inch socket extension to slip into the drain plug. So let's get underneath, we'll locate those, and I'll show you guys how to do this. And you'll want to locate your transmission, which is underneath. Real easy to get to. You don't even have to jack the vehicle up to have accessibility to reach it. And you've got that right there. The fluid actually looks pretty good. I can still see some red in it, but you can tell it's starting to get a little dirty. Alright, and then you're going to want to clean your plug too. So this has a little magnetic tip on the end that collects all your fine metal shavings and stuff. So you want to clean that tip off. So when you put it back in, it's clean and it can start collecting more stuff out of the fluid. Keep your fluid clean with your new fluid. Okay, so that's what it looks like all clean. We're going to go ahead and remove the crush washer and match it up to the size crush washer we need. There we go. That's the old one. Get that on, and then we'll slip that back in, snug it down, and put our fluid in. Alright, let's put the fill plug back in. And then just snug it tight, but not too tight. You don't want to over torque it and strip it. And then the next step will be to fill it up. So I've got the fill cone in there. So let me grab the fluid, we'll throw that in. And one other thing I'm going to do just to measure how much fluid exactly came out is I'm just going to take what came out of the car and pour it into this oil container so I can measure it. So 1, 2, 3, actually closer to 4 quarts is what came out. So that's what the dealership sold me, so I'm going to put 4 quarts in. You don't have to remove anything. That fill plug or that funnel just fits right down and has good accessibility to the fuel plug or to the fuel point. We've got our Acura automatic transmission fluid, so let's go ahead and pour that in there. You didn't have to remove anything, that cone just slips down in the hole. Number 3. And number 4. Alright, last thing you're going to want to do is re-put your fuel plug on. So this guy had a little bit bigger crush washer than the one that they gave me, but the diameter is the same. Want to make sure we get a new seal, so let's put that on and then slip it in there. Well guys, that's it for today's video on changing the automatic transmission fluid on a 2009 Acura MDX. When I went to the dealership, they wanted to charge me $300 to do this, and I was able to buy the fluid from them for only $44 plus I think a $2 crush washer fee. So less than 50 bucks with tax, and it took me about, I don't know, 45 minutes to do it, so it's not bad. Worth your time. So hopefully this video helped you. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.